what are we talking about when we say DevSecOps?
Sure. So it's SecOps is security operations, right?
Yep.
DevSecOps is a word that's done for securing development operations, essentially. So it's what it is it's looking at the software development lifecycle of how we build things from a cloud application perspective or native application, native traditional application, and then trying to introduce security earlier on in the process. So this is done at the architecture design phase rather than after the testing phase. And the goal is, there's another word you'll hear in this, is called shifting left. It's we're trying to introduce introduce security earlier on in the process. So we're shifting the ability for us to catch something that's going to happen from a security perspective earlier in the software development life cycle. So that way we can prevent things like database attacks. We can prevent things of what we call security hygiene or security best practices from a coding perspective. How do you, if you're expecting me to give you numbers, if I give you alphabets, how do you deal with that in your application? Because that's what the attackers do. They give your application input so it misbehaves, and when it misbehaves, they leverage that to get in and then insert themselves in whatever payload they're trying to do. That's the fundamentals behind an attack situation. So that's what the DevSecOps is, to be able to take security embedded in the security lifecycle earlier, so we have better telemetry, better understanding. So when we do the response, it is way quicker and way cheaper, order of magnitude cheaper to have to deal with that.